To use Para with Uber Eats in 2025, start by understanding what Para is. A feature that allows you to earn money by delivering food with a partner. This feature is designed for users who want to share the delivery experience and split the earnings. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Uber Eats app installed on your device. Open the app, navigate to the menu, and select the Para option. If you do not see the Para option, check your app version or contact Uber Eats support. Once you have selected the Para option, you will be prompted to invite a partner to join your delivery. You can invite a partner by sending them a unique link via text or social media. When your partner accepts the invitation, you will both be connected in the app. Before starting your delivery, review the terms and conditions of the Para feature, including the earnings split and any applicable fees. Make sure you and your partner understand how the earnings will be divided and how the delivery process works. To begin the delivery, accept a request in the app and follow the in-app instructions. The app will guide you and your partner through the delivery process, providing you with the pickup and drop-off locations and any special instructions. During the delivery, communicate with your partner to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. You can use the in-app messaging feature to discuss the delivery details and coordinate with each other. After completing the delivery, the app will prompt you to rate your experience and provide feedback. This feedback is used to improve the Para feature and ensure a better experience for all users. To maximize your earnings with Para, consider delivering during peak hours, such as lunch or dinner times. When demand is high, you can also optimize your delivery route by using the app's suggested route or by planning your route in advance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Para with Uber Eats in 2025 and earn money by delivering food with a partner. Remember to always follow the terms and conditions of the Para feature and to communicate with your partner to ensure a successful delivery experience.